students, welcome back. Welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. I am your Vedic Maths teacher, Miss Garima Singh. So students, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine at your places. So students, our today's video topic is squares of numbers ending with 4. Means today we will do the squares of the numbers which end with 4. Like example, 14, 34, 54, 94, 104, 184 means the numbers which are ending with 4. वो numbers जो 4 पे end हो रहे means the numbers which are having 4 at its units place. Units place or you can say ones place. वो numbers जिनके ones place पे 4 है. So we will do the squares of the numbers which are ending with 4 today. So students, as you all know that we always use a trick or a concept to do the sums in a quick way and in some seconds. So today also we are having one trick from which we will do this topic and we will do the squares of the numbers ending with 4 in some seconds. So let's start with our first sum. Our first sum is the square of 14. Now some students will think that this square we can do orally because we know the square of 40. Students, first of all, we will apply our trick in the small sums. After that, when you will be able to do it properly, then we will apply it in our lengthy sums. So, the square of 14. Now, first of all, what you have to do? You have to divide the number in two parts. One part containing only 4 and the rest the pending number. Means you have to remove 4. If it will be 194. So you have to remove 4. And what is the pending number? The pending number is 19. Same way, here I have removed 4 and the pending number is 1. Now students, just keep it in your mind that the whole calculations which you will do with this pending number only. Your pending number is 1. All the calculations you will do with the 1 only. Now students, let's start our trick. The first rule is multiply it with successor and put 1 0. Now can you see here it means this number, the pending number. As I have told you that all the calculations, whatever we will do with this pending number only. That means this is the main part of our sum. So first of all, multiply it with successor. Now, do you remember what is successor? Successor means one number more. The successor of 2 is 3. The successor of 4 is 5. The successor of 9 is 10. Means one number up. Or you can say this 2 plus 1 3. 4 plus 1 5 means you have to add one number, or you can normally say that one number up. If there is 11, the successor of 11 is 12. So you have to multiply your pending number with its successor. Now what is your number? 1. Now successor of 1 is 2. So you have to multiply both of them. I am doing the rough work here. So multiply the 1 with its successor. Successor means one successor is 2. So 2 ones are 2. So put 1 2. Now you can see multiply it with successor. Multiplied. Now put 1 0. Put 1 0. Now subtract it. The second rule is subtract. or we can write here only subtract. Fine. Now your third rule is double the number and make it one less. Now as I've told you that all the calculations will go with the pending number only. So double the number. Now here, what is the number? 1. Now the rule is saying that double the number. Double the number means, I have told you in my last video also, if you want to double any number, either add it 2 times or either multiply it with 2. अगर आपको कोई नंबर डबल करना है या तो उसे 2 बार ऐड कीजिए या फिर उसे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. Don't square it. See, square is a different thing, double is a different thing. Don't get confused, kids. The square of 3 is 9, but the double of 3 is 6. So just double it. Double means either you have to add it 2 times, either you will add it 2 times, or you can multiply it with 2. So first of all, you have to double the number. Now double the number means you have to double this number. So double means 2 times. I am adding it. It's 2. And make it 1 less. Make it 1 less means make it 1 less means एक उसे कम कर दीजिए आप. 1 less. If it is 3, 1 less is 2. If it is 5, then 1 less is 4. If it is 10, then 1 less is 9. So 1 less means 2 minus 1, 1. Now put it here. Now subtract it. 20 minus 1 is 19. Now the last is put 6 at the end. Whatever is coming after subtraction, at the last you have to put 6 at the end. Now see why. Because the square of 4 is 16. The square of 4 is 16. So we will only take the 6 here. And this is your answer. Students, if you will practice this method, it's very, very easy. You can do your sums in some seconds if you will learn this method. You will get it more when we will do with our second sum. Now your second sum is the square of 24. So let's start, students, with our trick. First of all, divide the number. Remove the 4 and rest all the number which is pending is your number. 4 and the number is 2. So now, first of all, multiply it with successor. Now here it is the pending number. So take 2. Multiply it with successor. Now what is the successor of 2? 3. Multiply it with 3. So it is 6. So put 6 here. And put 1 0. So you have to put 1 0 in front of 6. Now it's become 60. Now subtract. After this, you have to do double the number. Now as I have told you, for doubling the number, you can add it 2 times or you can multiply it with 2. So here I am multiplying this number with 2. Because double the number. So I am doubling it. Now it's 4. Now and make it 1 less. Now making it 1 less means subtract 1 from it. So it's 3. So put it here. Now subtract. Now 60 minus 3 is 57 and the last put 6 at the end. Now why we are putting this 6? I have told you that the square of 4 is 16. So we are taking only this 6 from here. And we are putting this 6 here. Now this is your answer. I hope, students, you are getting this trick. It's very, very easy. It just needs practice. And if you will practice it, you can do all the sums orally in your mind. No need to do these calculations here. So we will move to our third sum now. Third sum, the square of 34. Now, just divide the number. The two numbers we get is 4 and 3. Remove the 4, the pending number is 3. Now, first of all, multiply it with successor. So, take the number, your pending number, multiply it with successor. The successor of 3 is 4. So, multiply it with 4. Now, 4 3s are 12. Now, put 12 here. And put 1 0. Now, subtract. After this, double the number. Double the number means the double of 3. Now, for double, again I am repeating, you can add it 2 times, like 3 plus 3, 6, or you can multiply it with 2. So, 3 2s are 6. Now, after doubling, you have to make it 1 less also. So, 1 less means subtract 1 from it, it's 5. Now, subtract it, it's 115 and put 6 at the end. So, this is your answer. Now, you can see how in some seconds I find out the square of 34. Now, we will move to our last sum. Students, please watch the video till last because the last sum is a 3-digit sum. Now, your number is 104. Now, divide the number. Now, remove the 4. Now, the rest of the number is 10. Yes, I have told you that whatever the pending number is your main number, and with that number only we do all our calculations. Now, the pending number is 10. Now, first of all, multiply it with successor. Now, what is the successor of 10? 11. So, multiply it with 11. Now, 11, how you will multiply it? See, 11 ones are 11 and put 1 0. Now, write it here. After that, put 1 0. Now, you can see that 1 0 is already there. No worry. You have to put 1 0 because it's a rule. If there will be a 0 already, then also you have to put 1 0. Subtract. Now, next is double the number. Your number was 10. Double the number means I am multiplying it with 2. Now, 10 2s are 20. Make it 1 less. Double the number. I have doubled it. And make it 1 less. 1 less means subtract 1 from it. 20 minus 1 is 19. So, 19 here. Now, subtract it. You can subtract orally also, and I am subtracting here for you. See, 0, 9, 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 1, 8, 0, 1. It's 1, 0, 8, 1. And put at the 6 at the end, 6. So, this lengthy answer, see, we have taken out in some seconds. So, students, in this video, we have learned the squares of numbers ending with 4. With this video, I have given you one practice PDF. Do that practice PDF in your Vedic Maths notebook, and please students complete your pending work. In my next video, we will meet with the topic squares of numbers ending with 6, and with that our topic will end. So students, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more concepts and tricks. Thank you.